Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku indoor camera. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Roku Smart Home app. Open Smart Home app, log into your Roku account. Add device, camera, choose your indoor camera. Pull the base away from your camera. Press Setup on the bottom of the camera. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Next, scan the code below with your Roku camera. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku indoor camera. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.